Hi, I'm Kandie Frederick with Country Real Estate. It's official, cancellation rates are on the rise. So why are buyers backing out of deals? In a lot of markets, around 30% of real estate transactions that go into escrow end up canceling. I would say that our market is less than that, but let's make sure that doesn't change. Since listings with canceled deals often end up selling for less money, what can you do to minimize the chances of the buyer backing out of your home? As an experienced agent, I've dealt with uncertain buyers in many different markets over the last 20 plus years. So let's look at why buyers are canceling deals in this market and what you can do to stop a cancellation before it happens. Number one, buyer's remorse. The market is definitely slower than it used to be, but that doesn't mean buyers aren't feeling pressure to make decisions quickly. Due to market competition, economic news, the election, and tons of other issues, a lot of buyers want to finalize a deal ASAP. As a result, many of them jump into deals before they're actually ready. To prevent this, get your agent to vet potential buyers as well as agents representing them. If they're pre-approved and have a strong motivation for moving here, they'll be much more likely to follow through on your home. Having a local agent representing the buyer is also essential for proper guidance in a market where deals need to close. Number two, inspection issues. The number one reason why housing transactions fall apart is inspection issues. A buyer might absolutely fall in love with your home and have full intentions of following through, only to have problems come up in the inspection that gives them cold feet. This is especially an issue in our current market since buyers don't have a ton of free cash for repairs due to higher interest rates and higher prices. To prevent inspection problems from ruining the perfect deal, I highly recommend a pre-listing inspection. This way, you can take care of potential problems up front and even go into negotiations with more leverage. Number three, drawn out negotiations. The longer you spend negotiating, the more chances you give your buyer to walk. In my experience, most drawn out negotiations are the result of appraisals coming in lower than expected, which can change your buyer's financial situation with their bank. To prevent these problems, work with your agent before you list to find the perfect price that will net you the most money without causing appraisal issues. Plus, your agent should be able to justify your price to the appraiser using the research they did to find your home's value. Whether you're planning on selling soon or years down the road, it pays to plan ahead. Call or email me for a pre-sale consultation. It's free. I'll go over your neighborhood, the market, staging, and more. I look forward to hearing from you.